Hey everyone, welcome back to HelloVSTV. Today we are checking out the TOZO VIZO Z1 Pro AR glasses. These ultra-lightweight AR glasses promise a massive 160-inch virtual display, a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, built-in speakers, Steam VR support, and compatibility with smartphones, laptops, gaming consoles, and more. And it weighs only 63 grams. Let's see if this actually can replace a monitor, TV, or some VR headsets. Inside the box, you will find the VIZO Z1 Pro glasses, USB-C connection cable, and some documentation. At only 63 grams, these are among the lightest AR glasses currently available in the market. The design feels minimalistic. Unlike bulky VR headsets, these look much closer to a normal pair of sunglasses. Putting them on for the first time is an interesting feeling. The VIZO Z1 Pro creates the experience of looking at a giant virtual screen that's almost looking to roughly 160 inches. Whether you are watching YouTube or Netflix, editing content or gaming, everything appears floating in front of you. The glasses use full HD micro OLED displays running at 120Hz, which makes motion feel smooth and responsive. Text is sharp, videos look detailed, and gamers will benefit from the higher refresh rate. TOZO claims up to 6000 nits peak brightness, which helps maintain visibility even in brighter environments. Combined with a very high contrast ratio and wide color coverage, movies or games look surprisingly vibrant. Colors look rich, blacks are deep, and the overall viewing experience feels much closer to a premium OLED display than you would expect from a wearable device. Imagine carrying a 160-inch screen in your backpack while taking up almost no space. Comfort is another strong point. Because they are so lightweight, you can wear them much longer than traditional VR headsets. There is also built-in myopia adjustment, allowing many users to fine-tune focus without needing prescription inserts. Built-in speakers are included as well, so you can enjoy content without necessarily reaching for headphones. The battery life depends on what you are connected to. If you are using a smartphone, expect some additional battery drain. Also, while the virtual screen experience is impressive, AR glasses are still a personal viewing solution. They are not replacing a TV when multiple people want to watch together. So if you are looking for a portable giant screen experience for travel, gaming, movies, or productivity, these are a good choice in today's market. For frequent travelers, content creators, gamers, and tech enthusiasts, this could be a glimpse into the future of personal displays. This is all about the TOZO VIZO Z1 Pro. If you enjoyed this review, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to HelloVSTV, and until next time.